guys, welcome back to Chinki Drawing Arts. Today we're drawing something teeny tiny but super mighty. Can you guess what it is? It's an ant! Yes, a cute, smiley, busy little ant. Grab your black marker and let's get started. Let's begin with the head. Draw a big round circle right here. Now add two big eyes. They're wide and curious. A little smile, because our ant is very friendly. Draw two tiny antennae sticking up from the top. It's looking just like an ant already. Time to add legs. Ants have 6. Draw 3 little legs on each side. Bendy and cute. Great job! Now let's draw the middle part of the ant's body. A smaller oval below the head. Then draw the big back part, like a leaf shape with stripes. That's called the abdomen. Wow! Wait, is our ant dancing? I think so! Awesome job, little artist! Now take your black marker and carefully go over all the lines to make them bold and clean. Take your time, we're not rushing. Part, coloring. Let's see what colors we'll use today. Red color. Wow, so bright. Swish, swish, color everywhere. Our ant looks adorable, doesn't it? It looks super cute, cheerful, and full of life, just like you. Dark brown for the stripes. Super cool. Let's fill in every part with care and fun. Look at those colors go.
You must try this.
You did an amazing job today, drawing and coloring your ant. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share your little ant drawing with someone you love. Subscribe to Chinki Drawing Arts for more fun drawing adventures. Bye-bye, little artists. See you in the next fun drawing.